Alright, about, what, an hour went by and it hasn't really rained much. But as you can see, the water level came back pretty far on the pond. And you can't even see the dock. It's underwater about a good foot and a half in some spots. We're getting another band coming through, and wind's starting to pick up again. Nothing bad, just a lot of rain. But that's pretty amazing. There comes a turtle out of the water. You alright? Eggplant are loving it. Wow. It's coming again. My antenna's still hanging in there. Do it right here, Therese. Hurry up, I gotta get inside. Yeah. Yeah, I see him.
No, shut up.
Come here. He's got a lot of algae on his shell. Looks like a rock. Yep. That's where the seat was. There used to be about 5 feet of water or dry land in front of that. This pond went up about good 3 feet, 4 feet at least. Okay, it's getting windy. And the rain's gonna come, so I'll take a picture of the pond later when it rains later.